What's up, y'all? It's your girl Boss Lady Savage and welcome back to Boss Lady TV. I'm super excited to be filming this video. Actually, I'm super excited to be filming period because I have taken a break and I just honestly haven't been into filming as much as I usually am. So yeah, I had a lot going on. So yeah, I just don't have having time to film. And honestly, when you're trying to be a YouTube or a content creator and you know, like, you have real life stuff going on, like, you know, so when your fan base or, you know what I'm saying, like, your popularity or whatever isn't where you want it to be, like, you just cannot like commit your time to this all the time, because I do have a full-time job and I do have a life. So yeah, just, you know, like, I honestly be making a lot of videos. I just do not post them because I start watching them and I'm like, oh my god, I'm ugly, oh my god this, oh my god that. So I don't post them because the internet is mean. So yeah, I've never done what I'm about to do today because, like, I honestly didn't even know this was a thing. I'm not a professional. I honestly just do whatever to my hair because I don't care, because it's my hair and I'm not afraid to shave my head because I'm not no pussy. But you know what we're gonna do today? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a color remover. It's the first time for everything, guys. I hear a little lickety or weird noise coming from the back. I promise I'm not a serial killer. I don't have nobody tied up in here or nothing. This is my dog. He's in a cage, and for some reason he just thinks that he pays rent around here, so he don't think that he's supposed to be in a cage at any time. So he's huffing, puffing, and just doing anything to get on my nerves. But it's okay because I love him. Yes, I love him. But yeah, so we are going to use a color remover today, and I'm going to try to strip this green. Honestly, like, if you know me, like, you know I don't care. YOLO, it is what it is. So I am going to, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna prep my station before we do this, so be right back, guys. All right, so first thing first, you want to get a towel that you do not care about. I don't care about this towel. Honestly, I don't care about no towels because I'm the type of chick that once the towel get linty, once the towel get dirty, I will throw it away and go get some more. But yeah, get a towel that you do not care about, set it down. And y'all was finna freak out because I thought I didn't have my BW2 powder. I was like, dang, I need that. So I'm happy I did find some in my drawer. The remover that I am using today is this L'Oreal. It is L'Oreal Technique. I'm not gonna try to say the word. Efficient color remover or whatever. So I'm using this. It does have like some little instructions or whatever. It says you can mix this with the developer, so that's what I'm going to do. Well, it says 20 developer, and I'm pretty confident I got 40. So I got some 30 in the back. I'm gonna try to use that. But yeah, it is what it is. Then of course, after I remove this color from my hair, I'm going to dye it this beautiful, beautiful pinkish reddish color. It's scary. Let's get started, y'all. So I went to the dollar store I went to the hair store by my house. I got some gloves. It's just the basic little latex gloves. I got the remover. I got a little brush, and in my hands I have a towel that I don't like. I am going to mix this with my 30 developer instead of my 40 developer, because it does say use 20 developer and I don't have the 20 volume developer. So I just feel like the 30 is as good as it's gonna get, baby. So I'm gonna use the whole little packet or whatever. So I'm gonna take my 30 developer and I'm gonna mix that in. And I honestly don't know how much I should mix, so I'm gonna guesstimate. And I don't have a little brush, so I'm using a little comb. I'm from the trenches. You gotta do what you got. When you're from the trenches, you just gotta make do with what you got. So I got it mixed up as much as I can. It ain't too thick, but it ain't too slimy either.
just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can coast.
I'm gonna now put my hair up and let that process for about 30 minutes to 20 minutes. It shouldn't be too long. I just really honestly might monitor to see how long it takes for the colors to start changing and then take it out, but we'll see. But I can already see like the green lightening a lot. So to me, that's a good thing. And we will be back in about 30 minutes. So, as you can see, my hair is still a little green. So, I have a few minutes left, but I'm about to go ahead and wash it out because I don't care, y'all. I'm probably gonna go ahead and put a little bleach on top of this. Probably not too much, but just a little bit. But it's pretty much almost where I thought it was gonna be. I saw a lot of videos prior to dyeing my hair, and most of the girls, their hair from color moving the green came out about this color. So this is kind of what I was expecting. Yeah, still a little green in there. So I'm gonna wash this out. I am gonna bleach my hair because I still of course have to bleach the middle to kind of get the red that I want. So yeah, we are about to wash this out and then we will be right back. I had to come back and show y'all before I started the drying process because I am truly impressed. I am, y'all. Aside from, like, I can tell that my texture has changed a little bit, but it's okay, you know, we can bounce them curls back. But if you look in the back, y'all, that color is basically gone. Like, you have a few of my little ends here, a little bit of this little piece here, but for the most part, my hair, the color is stripped. So right now I'm looking like a clown at the circus. So I'm just gonna dry this and then I'm gonna come back and I am going to go through the bleaching process for the top of my head. But truly, I just had to come back and show y'all because I'm impressed. I didn't think that it was gonna get me back to this. I did not think that I would get back to this. I didn't expect it to be this vibrant and it to strip that much color out of my hair, because if you saw my hair was pretty green. So yeah, we're about to dry this off and then we're going to start the bleaching process for the rest of my head. I'm so excited. I am going to probably bleach a little bit of this. I mean, at this point, like my curl pattern isn't like the best right now, but that's something that we can fix over time, if not today. But I don't want my hair to be two-toned, so I am going to do a little bleaching on some of my ends here, because you can see it's mainly my ends. It's mainly my ends that did not get that color removed. So let's dry hair and then we are going to go back and we are going to do the bleaching process. So this is my hair.